Meaning of epsilon.
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 Epsilon. The term epsilon is commonly used in mathematics and represents an arbitrarily small positive number. It is usually denoted by the Greek letter epsilon. The use of epsilon allows for a more precise definition of limits, continuity, and convergence in mathematical analysis. In other words, it enables mathematicians to describe concepts related to infinitesimals and infinitesimal calculus with rigorous precision. Epsilon is also used in computer science, where it often represents a small value that can be used as a tolerance or error margin in numerical calculations.